Which flavour of Takis makes the best sauce? We got Fuego, Blue Heat, Smokin Barbecue and Intense Nacho. The premise is simple. I'll fill the bags with water, I'll put that water in that pan, and once it's been in that pan, I'm going to fill it with some tomato sauce. And then we just let it reduce until we've got a nice consistency sauce. Consistency? Continuity? Viscosity? Let's go with viscosity. Once we got the right viscosity sauce, what we're going to do is we're going to test them all side by side. We're not going to ponce about with any pasta, we're just going to try the sauces straight up. Bang, 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 bang. And then I'm going to tell you which one is good and which one is good. I'm going to rank them 1 to 4, and I already know which one's going to win. Well, I don't, but it adds suspense, so, you know, make sure you stay here. Let's start with the most boring one. Intense Nacho. Oh, no way. You'll never guess what's in here. Oh, a like and subscribe sticker. Jesus, what are the chances? Here's our Nacho Heat, whatever it was called. Nacho Cheese Tacky flavour. And we're gonna let that reduce, and then I'll show you what we got. That's reduced now. Everything's going great except for my kitchen smells like Gandhi's crack. Yeah, we're just gonna add some sauce to that. A little bit of tomato sauce that I prepared myself. Stirry, stirry. Into a pot with that. 1 done, 3 to go. Blue Heat Takis in. And we'll just reduce that as well. Blue Heat Taki sauce done. I'm probably gonna have to play some onion over the top of this or something to try and, you know, perk it up a little bit. Smokin barbecue juice in. Look at that red. In with a bit of my pre-made sauce. And there is our Smokin barbecue sauce. And last but not least, Takis El Fuego. Or just Takis Fuego. Into the pan with our Takis juice. Pink to make the girls wink.
Okay, girls.
So here is the Fuego sauce. And let's go back and pull them all together. In order that I did them: cheese, Blue Heat, Smokin barbecue, Smoky barbecue, and then Fuego. Now, what you should be doing right at this very minute is going in the comments and telling me which one that you think is going to be the best. 50 likes on this video and I'll do the Doritos lasagna. Right, number 1, the nacho cheese sauce. Now that tastes like, this one tastes like pizza sauce. Very, very nice. Out of 10, I'd probably give that a 7. Obviously, I can't rank them yet because I haven't tried them all. Number 2, the Blue Heat, which now looks like diarrhea heat. Basically, all it's done is heighten the taste of that tomato, the one that I made myself, and adds a bit of spice, a bit of heat to it. Not a whole lot of heat, but, you know, just a little bit. So I'll give this a 6 out of 10.
6.
So in here, we got the Smokin barbecue Takis flavour. A bit like this first one. This one is kind of like a barbecue pizza sauce, but with a bit of spice, a bit of heat. I'm also giving that a 7. Right, in here is the Fuego Takis flavour. More acidity, more heat. Kind of hides that ultra peak tomato flavour a little bit. Nice, very nice, very nice. I'm gonna give that an 8. I'm gonna give the Fuego an 8, which means this is 4th. These two are tied for 2nd. And in 1st place, the Fuego. Yeah, the winner, chicken dinner. On the next video, we're gonna find out which energy drink makes the best ice cream syrup. So get your suggestions in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Cheerio.